Hello everyone, this is Prabhat, and now I'm going to solve the weather forecasting station 7 questions of SQL HackerRank. And this is very much easy question and similar to the previous one. Only thing is we have to find the last ending city name with the vowels. That's it. So let's see the question here. So it's also saying like query the list of city names ending with the vowels A, I, O, U, and also from your answers should not contain any duplicates, and we know that we need to use duplicates, means distinct keyword, to neglect the duplicates. Fine, so we're gonna write the code now. So let's start. Select distinct city from station table, where, and we will also convert the city into lowercase each time while comparing, because there can be a chance there will be a uppercase, so we don't have to explicitly write the case for uppercase also. To save this time, we're gonna convert the city into lowercase and we're gonna compare only with the lower cases only. So let's say where lower city like %A, or I will copy this line and I will write it everywhere else. Just a second. Okay, or and again one more time. I think it's done. 3 to 5 now. Here was A, E, just a second, A, E, I, wait, A, E, I, O, and here it's U. Fine. Now we're gonna execute this code and let's see. It's processing now, and everything is correct syntactically also. Yeah, we got the output. It's successfully executed. Now we will submit it and we will check like how many test cases we have failed or we passed all the test cases maybe. Let's see. It's compiling. Okay, first one is, oh, actually we have passed all the test cases. You can see here all the test cases we have passed. So thank you guys, and we will see the next question in the next video. Okay, bye bye.